Hey everyone, I have a question about the difference between a dbId and an loid, lvid or rvid within the Forge viewer. So from the research that I've done online, it seems like the lvid and the rvid are the viewable IDs for the left and right objects in a clash report. But what I'm struggling to understand is if that ID is also equal to the dbId that is found within the Forge viewer. And that's kind of what my research suggests, but I'm not seeing that connect at all. So just as an example, I have this sphere here in my model within the Forge viewer. Its dbId is this 1697376. You can see here the name is a pushpin sphere, so we're all good there. When I come over here to my Power BI report, I'm I'm isolating just the the clashes coming from the document ID, the left document ID 18, and that is the BIM 360 spheres file. So I know that's all I have in that. Here are all the spheres LVID values right here. So here's LVID. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've copied this. So I filtered down so it's only showing me clashes from my document ID 18, which is my sphere model. These are all my left visual ID elements, and these are the object IDs. The kind of weird part about this is that none of these, you see all these start with a 2, and all these are no longer than 4 digits. Neither one of those match my dbId here. So if any of you know how to link a dbId to an lvid or an loid, or how to get that data from the Forge viewer, I'd really appreciate it. It'd help us out tremendously. So thank you.